All right, official family, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to another stream. Appreciate y'all being here. Thank you so much for clicking on the stream. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Good morning to everyone. I'm just gonna say good morning to a few people. I'm just gonna choose some random names and then we will get started. Mula, what's up? Good morning, Mula. Welcome back to the stream. Histo Science, Carly, Brian, Piotr, Mashago, Hanny, Ben, Tay, Winioki, Focus Forex, George, Bacon, Gonzalo, Sir Lesto, HP, Sleepless, Via, Daniel, HD, Sarav, Asaville, Lorena, I see you, Alexander, Shariva, Yitri, Tay, another HD, Val, Anchor, J Ren, Elite, what's up Elite, Daniel, God's Favorite, Brian, Alicia, Asaville, MVK, Shiv, Nared, good morning to you. What's up King, welcome back, Sean, Trevor, Marwin, Uzi, Praise. What's up, y'all? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome. Thank you so much for smashing the like button. Okay, so we do have ISM news. That's red folder news today at 10 o'clock. So we're going to have an interesting day on the charts. Let's get a win. That's what we're here for. So we're going to start it off with GJ. As you know, let me just put the watermark on so you know what pair we're on. GJ, switching up the colors today. I know, it looks like Christmas. I know. That's what we're going to do. I'm actually going to change the order of the songs today. There we go. Change the order of the songs. Alright, so if you're just now joining us, we are starting the morning analysis right now. I will read the chat after. So the daily looks bearish. Right, pretty straightforward. Looks like we are in this trend, right? This downtrend. Looks like we hit a bump in the road here. We have these equal highs up here of like resistance, right? There's a lot of liquidity in here. Price reverse back down. So it's a very high probability, you know, if we break the previous daily low, that we may continue to the downside here. About 100 pips away from there. All right, so let's keep on pushing. 4-hour chart. Now that we're looking at the 4-hour chart, you can see what I was talking about. You can see that if we break these lows here, it's very possible we may head down to here. Okay, so that's the way I'm looking at it. So what I'm going to do is, let's get my line going. I'm gonna use this area. Okay, that's too far out. I'm gonna use this as an area. Let's go to the 1 hour. So you can see that price has tapped into this zone plenty of times and it's bounced back up. So it's a high probability that when we tap into the zone, we may bounce back up again. So that's pretty much why I'm drawing it there. Okay, we may tap in here and bounce back up. Now what I want to see is how far away are we from that zone, right? About 23 pips away from that zone. Okay, that's fair. Now as far as, oh, grabbed the wrong thing there. As far as resistance goes, I mean, I do see that price retraced in this area. You know, this area, we're kind of grabbing it by using this zone down here. So I don't really feel like we need that many zones today. What I'll do is I'll just drag this over in case we need it. Other than that, it's looking pretty good. Let's go down to the 30-minute. Yeah, so same theory. I'm thinking price may reverse here, so price wow, that's a big font, huh? Let's place that there. What else? Let's take a look at this on the 15-minute. Just want to see, that was 4:30, that was 4:15. Okay, so interesting day here. So we had this break at 6:15, 6:30. You see it on the 30 end? Okay. All right, so I'm gonna keep my chart here just like this. The last thing I'm gonna do is probably turn on those zones just to see where they are. Okay, so I'm just gonna use that. I'm gonna turn that off. I'm just gonna put a bank zone here. I'm gonna label this bank zone, and that's it. That's quite simple. That's pretty much our analysis on GJ. Okay, sounds good. All right, let's move on over to gold. What I will do is I will put a alert on that zone just in case we're on something else and we miss it. But that's what I'm looking for in GJ today. Next, let's keep it pushing. Good morning if you're just now joining us. Good morning, welcome. All right, gold. Let's start off. I actually did want to take a peek at the weekly first. Let's see here. Okay, so the weekly, that's what I want to see. The weekly is coming down towards this area. Okay, so we know that this is a major support area. We know it's a major demand zone because we see how many times prices come down into it on the weekly time frame, even right here, right? So We'll see what happens. I'm gonna do, instead of doing that, I'm just gonna put a line here where the last one was. Just gonna put weekly. Mike, oh, what's up, Mike? Welcome back, welcome back. 3 months strong. Let's go. All right, y'all, no spamming up the chat. No spamming up the chat. I will read the chat when I'm done. All right, let's go down to the daily. Wow, look at these daily candles. Okay, so yeah, I mean, it looks like it's headed down towards this weekly low. Like I said, it could easily reverse in this area, so we do want to be very, very, very careful. Okay, so let's go down to the 4 hour. Oh, wait. Okay, just making sure. So we come down to the 4 hour. Check out these two previous 4 hour candles, right? They both wicked up pretty high here. They both took out that previous 4 hour high and then came down, so that's interesting. Okay, just kind of putting that out. When I look to the left, I do see this huge wick come down in here. Okay, but if we ignore that wick, or if this wick didn't exist, then this is a pretty huge area to fill out. So what I'm going to do is just use one of these zones. Just drag that across, and I don't really need the weekly line. Let's go down to the hourly. Let's look to the left. What we got here in the hourly? Looks like we have a little bit of space here. So I'm gonna choose this. I'm gonna write hour, since I did it on the hourly, just so that I know. Okay. So my thoughts is, if gold does continue down for the day, then I'm thinking that we may come down towards this area. About 108 pips away. Okay, so that's not too bad. 108 pips away. What else? Yeah, that's all I really see. I mean, if I put an hourly line here, we're breaking this low, right? Not too much to say about it. We can continue down to the 30-minute time frame. What do we see on the 30-minute? On the 30-minute, same thing. It looks like we're breaking through that zone. If price does decide to do a pullback, I'm just pointing this out for now while I go down to the 15-minute. Okay, that's headed in the wrong spot. So I'm just showing you that there's like a little bit of support build up in here, right? So instead of grabbing the whole zone, let me split it up so you can see it. So you can see how we ranged a little bit in this area. You see that? Before heading to the downside. So that's pretty important. So what I'm gonna do is just keep this area highlighted a little bit. Okay, and that's just for myself to keep track of. Let's turn on those bank zones. So for me to take a sell here, I need to see either a closure below the bank zone, or I need to see some type of pullback or something. Other than that, I wouldn't take a sell. So I need to see some type of market structure set up here. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. That's how we're feeling about gold. All right. I'm going to take a peek look at the chat now. So if you said something in the chat, you said it earlier, I wasn't able to read your message, go ahead, feel free to say it again. Can you see my messages? Yes, Michael, we can see your messages. Been watching your videos, started with the risk management video. Nice, nice. Amakan, good morning. Hi, Damien, good morning. You said on the 5 minute. Hi, James, good morning. A7's here. Calvin, Cindy, I see you. Bruce Lee wants to say Grand Rising, but you muted him. It looks like, I guess the mods muted him, but if the mods muted somebody, then they muted them for a reason. But good morning, Bruce. You don't need to come in the chat and tell me that people are muted. I can see what the mods are doing. I see everything that the mods are doing. So if you feel like it was a mistake, because sometimes people do get clipped by accident if their name is under someone else. That does happen sometimes, but if you feel like it was a mistake, you can DM me if you want. You can DM me and say, hey, Lens, I got muted on stream. I don't know what I did. But yeah, you don't need to bring it to my attention. I see everything that happens here. Right on top, what's up? Kevin, good morning. What do you think about NFP? You know, I'm not really excited for NFP because the last few times it didn't really do too much, you know. It seems like FOMC has been the biggest hyped for us lately. You know, FOMC has been doing more than NFP. Let me know, how do you feel about that in the chat? Let me know in the chat. How have you been feeling about NFP the last couple months versus FOMC? How y'all feel? Collins, I see you. Good morning. Trading with Milo, good morning. Tricky, go retrace 30 minute. I don't know. We're going to see. We're going to see what it does. Hi, Johan. I see you, Yojin. Good morning. Bozer K, good morning. Brian, hope all is good. I see you. What's up, Johnny? Tumalo, good morning. Garav, what's up, Garav? Mawato, I see you. Tony, I see you. Mula, good afternoon. Hi, Devern. Cash, good morning. Abawa, Brantonio. Wayne, welcome to the official fam. Wayne, I see you. Thoughts on NAS? Yeah, we'll take a look at it. We typically look at NAS towards 9 o'clock though, but we can take a look at US30 now. Hi, Hannah. Welcome back, Hannah. Hello, good morning. Stino, I sold gold from the current resistance level, but I closed early because I'm in the building small account, but I'm rich holding. Still getting used to the trading style. Yeah, there's no problem. Still getting used to it, you know. You know, it's all a part of being new and getting used to it. It happens. I'm glad you closed it though, because if you're unsure, then it's better for you to watch than take a trade, you know. Gaming Artifact, good evening to you. Asaville, my first time here. Welcome, welcome. Sifo, good afternoon. Oh, Gaming, welcome back, Gaming. I see you're here yesterday chatting with us. Really appreciate that. Dennis, what's up, Dennis? Hi, Jasper. Paula's back. What's up, Paula? Good morning. Good evening from Indonesia. I see you. Why do you trade the 15-minute chart, not smaller? I trade all the time frames. The time frame that I watch it on depends on what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for something on the 15-minute, then I watch it on the 15-minute. I'm looking for something on the hourly, then I watch it on the hourly. So it kind of depends on the market structure here. Good evening from the Philippines. I see you. Since I got funded, news is a pain. I love that there wasn't a 4-minute restriction. It's all right. It's all right, Dennis. You got this. NFP, don't have much to say, but we'll see. Wardy, good morning. Who else do we got here? Claiborne, I see you. Heart of Gold, what's up, Heart of Gold? J Paulo, I see you. Good morning. James, will GJ go up? You're gonna have to watch the morning analysis. You're gonna have to go back a little bit. I did GJ first, so if you go back, that's the first one. Just joined the membership. Welcome. I see you got a green badge now. Let's go. Green badges for the win. Fangy said, let's get it. Let's go. What country are you from? The United States. United States. USA. Where do you see an entry on GJ? You're going to have to go back and watch the morning analysis. Just so you know, I have 1.5% to go on my prop. The 8.5 is all thanks to you. My deadline is tomorrow, so wish me luck. Jasper, nice Jasper. Good luck to you. Just take your time. No need to overdo it. If you were with my Forex funds, you wouldn't have to worry about a deadline because you get unlimited free retries as long as you're up in your percentage. The streamer, good morning. Winterland, I see you. Good morning. Welcome back. Dim Sum, I know you're here. Morning, fam. Johnny, is the reject from the yellow box? No. I drew that yellow box because price ranged between here and here, so I didn't want to keep both boxes. So I don't like a lot of stuff on my chart. If you're new to the stream, I don't like to put a lot of stuff on my chart, so sometimes I have things here for reference so that I don't forget certain things. But yeah, it's just there for reference. It doesn't mean anything right now. I'll let you know when it means something. That's just for me. Brian, good morning to you. No winners allowed. I made a mistake yesterday and hit the sell button on S&P yesterday. Oh no. Were you able to close it in time? Handwood TV, hello. Money Magnet. Ooh, I like that name. Philippines, let's go. About to pass the first part of my FTMO challenge. Nice, congrats. It was retracing. Hi, good afternoon, Brian. I see you. Only free retries. I didn't know that. Well, you have to be above. 1 second, y'all. Yeah, so those of you using my Forex funds, the free unlimited retries is whoever just DM me, you're probably gonna get banned, just so you know. Especially while I'm streaming. You get unlimited retries as long as you're above your balance. So wow, you just said, I see that you're live. Please DM me when you have time. That's exactly why you're getting banned. 1 second, chat. Speaking of banned, we had a super supporter this morning that was banned. So just because you're a super supporter does not mean that you can break the rules. You know what I'm saying? Does not mean that you can break the rules. And I'm going to tell you what they did briefly so that you know why they got banned. But I just want you to know that. People think because they pay that they're not going to get banned. Just because you pay doesn't mean anything. Okay, I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you learn how to trade. I'm here to help you build your character. I'm here to help you better your life. I'm not here to take your money. If I was here for the money, I would not be charging you some $5 and $15. If I was here for the money, you know damn well how valuable my content is. I'd be charging you a whole lot more money than that. Let's start there. If I was here for the money, then I would have accepted what they did and kept them in. But basically what they did was they used bot commands, which are only for the admins and the moderators to use. If you don't know what bot commands are, that is used for moderating and stuff like that. So they went in and they used some of the bot commands to look at the stats, the statistics, which means they can look at your stuff. And I'm sure you don't want someone joining the Discord looking at your personal information, do you? No, that's not cool. That's not good morale. The only people that could see your stuff are the moderators for a reason, right? Imagine if we gave all your information away to someone. Imagine if we did that. You wouldn't like that. You would not like your privacy being breached like that. So, since it was a breach of privacy, they did apologize, but I decided to ban them anyway because I don't take breach of privacy lightly. I think that's something that is very important. On top of that, before I did attend the situation, they did have a chat with the moderator before me, and I saw the whole chat, and they told the moderator that they were an IT person. They're from IT, so that's how they knew all that stuff, right? Obviously. So if you're in IT, as the moderator told you, if you're in IT, then you should know that's not something that you do. You don't just go in and look at people's personal stuff, right? You can't just do that. You know, if you're in IT, that that's an admin thing. You're not an admin. And the person's response was pretty much that it wasn't in the rules. Kind of seemed like they didn't care. And they didn't really care what the moderator had to say. They just wanted to speak to me. So you wanted to speak to me, so here I come. Here I come stepping in. It's quite simple. You're well aware, if you work in IT, that's an admin thing. You're well aware that's a breach of privacy. So straightforward like that, you're banned. All right. So that's not something that I felt needed to be a part of the rules. I feel like admin stuff is pretty self-explanatory. You know, you don't just hack into things, but hey, it is what it is. All right. So I just want to let y'all know, just because your super supporter does not object you from the rules. Okay. We have rules for a reason. We have rules so we can keep order and keep people's privacy safe, you know? That's all I want to tell y'all. All right. Moving on here. All right, GJ's crossing that area that we wanted here. Trading with Malo, I'm an IT person that was petty ethics. Well done showing them who's boss. Appreciate that, Malo. Yeah, it's ethics, you know? I know you learned ethics in school because I learned ethics in school. Is currency trader harder for gold or US30 or NAS? I don't think that there's one that's easier or harder. Now I kind of use the same strategy, similar strategy in all of them. So I think, you know what it is? It's just like finding those good setups. That's what I think is hard. I think it's hard to find good setups The only reason I say that is because you may get on the chart in the morning, you may be like, wow, there goes my setup, and it already happened. So it's more of like a timing thing. It's like, if you miss it, then you miss it, then you gotta wait for another one, you know? So sometimes it's more about the timing of things. So my Forex funds is not a good platform, question mark. How did you get that out of anything that I said today? How did you retrieve that information? So you're asking if the platform that I advertise on my stream is not a good platform? Is that what you're asking me? You're one shot to shoot me a question. That's what the question is. Tamika, good morning. Okay, so as far as price reversing, I figured it would reverse lower down here. So I'm not gonna pay this no mind at all. Get money, everyone. What's up, Baka man? Get money. For those who don't know, you know how you type GM in the chat for good morning? You know how y'all say good morning? He thought it was get money a while back. And we finally told him, he was like, what? He thought y'all were saying get money in the morning. You remember that? You were like, yo, what? They're saying good morning this whole time? I thought they were saying get money. That was hilarious. Hi, Awareness. Explode Social. I see you. Michael Soy, good morning. He ain't lying. Okay, so let's go over to yeah, we're gonna leave gold alone for now. Okay, let's go over to US30 while we're waiting for a setup here. Like I said, the ISM news is at 10 o'clock. Do I plan on trading it? I do. But I'll tell you what, depending how NAS and US30 sets up before the news drops, there's a good chance that we may be in that trade before it even happens. So, no, it all depends on market structure today. Why is that line there? I thought I cleared this off. Why we get stuck with price coming all the way down here to support? Why we got to get stuck with that? I don't understand. Can we give it a double meaning for the stream? Of course, EP. Yeah, you can put get money and get morning together. Good morning, y'all just not joining. Good morning. Sorry, I missed the part of unlimited retrials on my Forex fund. Can you mention it? Yeah. So let's say you're doing the 10K challenge. Let's say, and you gotta make 8%, right? Which means you gotta make $800. Which means your balance needs to be what? 10,800 for you to pass, right? We all can agree on that? So let's say it's the last day of the challenge and you're only up 5%, right? Let's say you're only up 5%. Let's say you only made 10,500. You're like, man, I gotta make 3% and only got 1 day left, man. And you're like, I don't know what to do. Well, luckily for you, my Forex funds gives free unlimited retries. So as long as you are above 10,000, your starting balance, then you're good. Okay? As long as you're above 10,000. So if you were at 10,000 and I don't know, $20, you should be good. You're above 10,000. Okay. Free retries. You can just keep retrying. But here's the thing. Here's the only thing about the retries. If it's 5% and above, I think there's a button there. I'm trying to remember because it says it in the small print. If you look it on the website, it does tell you all this. But it says there should be a retry button if you're above 5%. But if you're below 5%, right? Let's say your balance is $10,020. You're going to have to email them and ask them. Sounds good? There's a few of you who messaged me that were doing the 10,000 and you were so happy. You're like, Linz, I got the retry. So I know it works. There's a few of you who messaged me who you didn't make it within your 30 days. You got the retry and, you know. So, all right. Where we at now? Where we at? Daniel, Linz, I just give a massive shout out. Thanks to you, I've become a successful trader for a year and a half, 200 times prior joining the stream. You know, you've given me the confidence to join Hanko. Nice, Daniel. Nice. By the way, if you do the 200 leverage, then you get a bonus. So you might as well do the 200 leverage. NJ, good morning. Just new to this channel. How's it functioning? From Cameroon. Nice. Welcome. What if you're above? Oh, okay, yeah, I just gave that example. Paul, good morning. All right, y'all. Let's do US30. Sport mode. We're in sport mode now. Okay. So the weekly is coming down towards where my OGs. What am I gonna call this? OGs. Wick City. We got Wick City here. We got Wick City here. So if we bring it across, you can see we came down here before in reverse, so we know that there's liquidity sitting in this area. So I just want to make that known. Looks like the weekly candle is coming down towards it though, about 260 pips away. Okay, so I'm gonna put a line here and we're gonna call this the weekly. I don't want it that color though, I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna have to switch up that color real quick. Okay, now let's go down to the daily. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Yikes. All right, so on the daily, we could be coming to this area here. So I'm gonna replace this. I'm gonna write daily so that I know. So from the daily. If you notice, I like to use lines instead of zones sometimes. All right, let's go down to the 4 hour. Let's work our way down slowly. And I'm just looking to the left because it's really important that you look at the history of price. So if we break this weekly low, I'm thinking we may come down to here. Oh, we have a lot of places we may come down to though. All right, let's take this step by step. On the 4 hour, we're pretty much filling out. Oh, that's not what I wanted. We're pretty much filling out this entire area. You can see that, right? We're literally filling out this entire area. So, I mean, the last candles to go is down here. So what I'm going to do, we're going to drag those out. We're going to write 4 hour on this one. Wow, US30, you just gotta be complicated today, huh? Just gotta be complicated, complex. Let's go to the 1 hour. Wow, yeah. Look at all this consolidation, jeez. All right, it's gonna be a tough one today. What I'm gonna do is put a line here in this hourly. We have like a minor hourly support coming across here. Let's go down to the 30-minute. To me, it looks like we had resistance here, right? Now, just follow me now. I'm doing it this way so you can see what I see. Support here, right? Can y'all agree? We were ranging here. Then price broke down. We had to break its structure. We came back up to retest it. And it looks like we're retesting off of this zone, right? Old support becomes new resistance. Okay, so what I'm going to do, it looks like I said, it looks like we're testing off of this area. So it does look like we may continue down for the day. So let's go down to a lower time frame. Let's keep it going. NAS looks cleaner, you said? Flamco, good morning. Where were we at? Yeah, so the reversal was somewhere in here. Looks like we may have to go down to the 5-minute. It's getting complex today. Complex, but we're here for it. Let's go down to the 1-minute. Jeez. Killing us. You're killing us, US30. No worries though, we found it. We found it on the 1-minute. There we go, like so. So now let's go to our time frame. Let's see what this looks like. I'm actually gonna drag it across a little bit. Okay. So that's the top zone that I want for sure. Other than that, pretty much gonna wait on market structure here to show me she's gonna continue down. It should be here. So I'm just gonna put a price alert here, just in case we're not paying attention. And I'm gonna put a price alert here. So this one I'm gonna call it US30. Breaking the high, because I want to know if it comes back up to test this zone again. And then this one we're gonna say US30. She's coming down, right? Because that's the point where she starts to come down. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it like that, just in case we're not paying attention, so that we will be notified here. All right, let's just save that. Actually, I'm gonna keep it on the hourly too. What time is it? 7:13. Gold. We're probably gonna watch gold, so I'm gonna do this with gold. I'm gonna put a Fibonacci here. US30 breaking the high. That was quick. What the heck? Wow, okay. Let me finish what I was doing though. I'm not gonna keep this up here, but I just want to put the golden zone there. All right. Just so I know, we have a bank zone here at 1705 as well. Just so you know. Wow, I just can't get the number, huh? We just can't get that number, huh? Look at this pettiness. All right, I'm gonna read the chat. Okay. Waiting to see if gold dries up to this yellow zone. What does it do towards this yellow zone? That's what we want to see. GJ, I was waiting to see if GJ comes down here, so I'm gonna put a price alert on GJ. GJ coming down. It's gonna be that alert. Okay. Sorry, y'all. Today's a little complex, you know? Okay, let's see. Who we got now? Magic keys are fire. Complexity helps us improve, right? Yeah, it does, you know? A little complex, but we're solving the puzzle here. Child of God, good morning. Kindle, good morning. Gold long position since 1700. Nice. Is gold coming up and down? You're gonna have to watch the stream to figure that one out. Christina, yes. What's up, Christina? What does bank zones mean? I have 3 videos on bank zones, so I'm gonna need you to go ahead and check those out. It's a full explanation from top to bottom. It's a free course as well on YouTube. Also, it's a really good strategy if you're a beginner. If you don't know where to start, if you're not sure what strategy to start with, something that you can start with. We have a lot of subscribers who love using that strategy. Snipers unlocked, bae. What about gold? 'Cause I'm stuck on gold. We already did gold. We already talked about gold today. You're gonna have to be on the stream. Elijah, good morning. King, good day to you. Ringo, what's up? What's up? Consolidation, anticipating the news. Boom, yeah. You know how we work over here? We only look at things as they have our attention. If things need to move around a little bit, then we don't really focus on them. We just let them move around. And we check through with them. Right now, we're trying to see what US30 does on this zone. Just because I don't want them all on the chart today. Oh my goodness. Oh, I got a triple, double, quadruple click. 1 second, y'all. One second, y'all. Okay. Let's see who we got here in the chat. Miles, good morning. Terrence, what's up? What's up? Jersey, maybe used to be in Trader's Journey live stream. That's my friend. That's my friend. Yep. Let's see. Let's put that music back on. So if you're just now joining us, I'm going to give you a quick recap. Let's start with GJ. GJ, I was thinking that GJ would come down a little lower than reverse. So that is what I was waiting for. So if that, if this doesn't line up with that, then I'm staying away. Okay, so that's number one. Number two, gold looked like it wanted to continue down for the day, but I figure we may get some retracements first, so that's why I have this line here, and that's why I have this yellow box here. I'm thinking we may retrace into this area right before coming down. Okay, for my visual learners, thinking we may do something like this. Next, US30. Just keeping a little eye on it. I figure we may bounce up a little bit more here. So that's it so far. That's really it. Other than that, we are gonna take a look at NAS towards 9 o'clock like we do every day on stream. And we have news at 10. So for those of you who asked, what about this? What about that? You know, we focus on whatever we're focused on. So there's not too much happening right now for setups. You know, if you don't see your setup, you have to learn how to leave it alone. If I don't see my setup, then I'm not worried about it, you know. My birthday is this Saturday, starting the 100K. Yes, let's go, Tay. Let's go, Tay. Oriel, hey, Lynn, hope you're doing well. We're supposed to have surgery done this week. Next week. Next week. So I won't be here. I won't be here on Tuesday. I will not be here. So no stream Tuesday, y'all. So we'll be here Monday. Monday is Labor Day. Remember, Monday we're going to be going over all the aspects of what we're doing. And it's going to be a stream of a lot of consolidation. So that's why we're using Monday to go over everything. And then Tuesday I won't be here. And then Wednesday we're back. We will be back. Yeah, I don't know why you're wasting your time telling me who's a mod on someone else's stream, because if you haven't realized, we don't really care over here. We don't pay attention to other streams. But since that's the third time someone brought up the same person, I'm gonna assume that you're just making different profiles and coming back to say your name. I'm gonna assume that. Honestly, get a life, you know, get a life. You gotta make different profiles of guys and girls just to come back to say your name. Like, should honestly put that energy into learning something. Eli, it's my birthday. Let's go. Let's give a happy birthday to Eli in the chat. Eli, where's my birthday celebrations? Let me see. Happy birthday. What you doing? Any plans? What did you ask for your birthday? Let me know. What did you want for your birthday? Lindsay, you notice fibs don't work as much on the daily. Fibs work every day. They do. They work every day. They work. It's just people don't know how to use them. There's different ways to, there's like a specific way to use fibs, you know? Why did I choose this box? I drew it on the 1 minute. I chose this box because price tapped it here and it tapped it here. Good question. That's why I drew that box. Birthday Saturday. Gotcha, Tay. How is position sized? Well, Hannah, I will start by saying before I read the rest of that, it depends on the broker that you're on. Every broker, I know it's not consistent, but every broker has their own thing. So I'll read the rest. Let's see. 0.3 and German 40. It's 12.698. Now it's 12.671. So let's see. You went down. Let's do the math here. You were at 12.698. Did I type that right? 12.698. Yeah. And you went down to 12.671. 27 pips. And you used a 0.3 lot. And you said it shows $80 loss. So it was doing $3 a pip. Looks like. Right? If we do 27 times 3, it's about $81. So 0.3. Right? You were doing 0.3 lot. That was $3. Okay. So if you do 0.10, that should be $1. Lynn's in math. Make sense? Did that help you? I'm gonna do a special session for just the Virgos. Oh, did you hear? I saw yesterday they were talking about I guess Jennifer Lopez, she fired some of her dancers because they were Virgos. They had like an audition, I guess. And while they were auditioning to be dancers for her, I guess towards the end she was like, "Who's a Virgo in here?" And people raised their hand and she was like, "You gotta go." I guess she don't get along with Virgos. I don't know. But I think they're trying to file like a lawsuit now saying it was discrimination. Hell nah, I sue her. Yeah, I think they're suing her. That's tough. I don't know. Imagine not getting hired because of your sign. That's tough. My birthday's Sunday the 4th. Oh, nice, Dorcas. Nice. Shows the live stream day. Oh. Actually, we are going to have a stream on Sunday. We're going to have a smart money workshop with Vive. I know how much y'all love when Vive comes through. Y'all love when liquidity comes through. So Vive, smart money trader Vive is coming through as a guest once again. And he's going to share his expertise in the Discord. So that's for the super supporters. You know, workshops are for super supporters. So you asked, he's coming back. You mean Jenny from the block with no talent? Uh-oh. 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 Horoscopism, discrimination. The world is going mental. I'll be in the corner eating bacon if you need me. Yo, y'all are so funny. Do you use any trading strategy? No, I don't have a trading strategy at all. Yeah, Viv, yep. Excuse my ignorance, what is a Virgo? Mama Dada, no. It's a zodiac sign. Oh, unless you're being sarcastic. You're being sarcastic. It's a zodiac sign. Mama Dada, let me know your birthday in the chat. I'll let you know what your zodiac sign is. If you're being serious, I'll let you know what your sign is. Happy birthday month, Virgos. Oh, Sir Fire Virgo too. Panix, good morning. What pair am I on now? Well, since you can't see the watermark, sorry, I just went through all those options and I realized I can't change it. It looks cleaner this way. They says cancers are crybabies. You know, they're emotional, you know. Is zodiac signs a thing? Yeah, of course. Of course, based off your personality, you know. My birthday's tomorrow. Nice. No, I'm French. March 2nd is your birthday. Sounds like you're a Pisces, but let me look it up. I think you're a Pisces, though. What zodiac sign is March 2nd? Pisces. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. All right, let's see. I was going to give you a summary. But it may be too long. Are you creative, Mama Dada? Are you a creative person? Are you into art, music, anything like that? Are you creative? Are you pretty friendly with most people? Histo signs, Pisces right here. Nice. Charmaine said I'm done. No clue about horoscopes. All I know is I'm a Leo. No clue what it means or anything. What? Nah, you gotta look it up when you get a chance. You got to. You may surprise yourself at you can be like, wow, I do act like that. To the general, it seems like it's general words, but when you get deep into knowing each sign, then you pretty much know the difference in each sign. Then you can be like, whoa. Libra over here, nice, nice. August 24th, official Virgo, nice. Morning, Tubbs. What's up, Tubbs? Uh-oh, Lamel, that's fighting words, Lamel. Come on, Lamel. Lamel, we can't have that, you know? We just can't have that in the chat. I'm gonna have to ban you. No, I'm just kidding. Vance, Capricorns, you know it, Vance. We're the goats, no cap. Appreciate that, Eli. Anchor, good morning. Appreciate you for the courtesy, no problem. Our US30's past the zone, so I don't need it no more. I'm gonna delete this. If it's coming back up here, well, it did leave a lot of space up here, but I'm just updating my chart here since US30 is coming up. Up and up and up. Don't need that no more. What's the next move? What do you wait for to get into a trade? I'm waiting for a setup. Waiting for a setup. There's no move if there's no setup. Ramen, good afternoon. Welcome to the stream. Gotta go to the doctor's appointment. Have a great day, Dennis. Appreciate that positivity there in the chat. Where do you find the price per pip? My Forex funds. I posted in the Discord. I posted something there. We have a My Forex Funds chat in there. I posted like a table for everyone to use. But I mean, you can just use a 0.01 and then just count up if that's what you have to do, you know? I mean, that's what you have to do for most brokers. Just use a 0.01, then you kind of figure out what it is per pip, and you just work your way up. Then that's up 55 pips. Nice, Chris. Nice. Phil, what's up? My discipline is godlike. Bakamon's so funny. Alrighty, so we're just waiting for a setup here. Patience is really playing its game on us today, huh? Can we see GJ? It's on GJ. Change the colors today so you can see the difference. What's up, Phil? Alright, US30. Interesting plays today. I'm gonna delete that and put this on. Just want to see how this acts as it comes up towards this resistance here. I'm just going to bring this across. I produce reggae music. I like to surround myself with creative people. Oh, nice. Nice, nice. What's up, Isaac? I see you. GJ touching on the 5 minute. Ah, I see what you mean. Turn up the music. Is it too low? It should be good. It's supposed to be background music, not party music. If it was future, then we'd just turn all the way up, you know. The moment I got into Forex, I started randomly get weird Forex ads. Good morning, like-minded people. Hi, Marlon. Music's fine. Thank you. So we are approaching 8 o'clock New York Open. So pretty much waiting on that. Other than that, no setups right now. 0 setups. 0 plays. US30 went crazy though. The only thing I can say is US30 would have been a nice play, but it's long gone. Nice play there. Kind of want to see it on the 1 minute down here. Yeah. Nice play, US30. 70 pips. One day I'll play for y'all. You're funny. Good morning, Lance. Have a good day. Thank you, Alfano. You have a good day as well. Do you like to travel? Yes, I travel a lot, actually. I travel a lot. Did you create a playlist? No, it's a YouTube stream playlist. It's on YouTube. Went through the bank zone tutorials. 50 pips today. Nice. You like the bank zones? Do you use the moving average or RSI indicators? Do you see them on the chart? I'm going to go through the charts for you. Here's chart 1. Here's chart 2. Here's chart 3. Are you ever in Bali? I don't know. We'll never know. We will never know. I could be in Hawaii for the weekend. You would never know because I don't post it. I could have went to Miami and back a couple weeks ago. You'd never know. Don't worry though. If I okay, I'll make you a deal. If I go to Bali, I will let you know. I'll let you know if I go to Bali. We'll make that deal. Is there an Asian stream? Yeah, we should be doing Asian stream tonight. Yep. Matic, good morning. Sheila, good morning. Man, US30 really moved. Jeez. Jerry, good morning. You trade on vacation? Yup. Yes, I do, because I'm just so used to looking at the charts in the morning, and it's just weird for me to wake up and not look at the chart. You know, even when I went on a cruise the first morning, I still got up, and I think I only traded once on the cruise, but I still looked at the charts. It just feels weird not to, you know. Mavis, good morning. Crypto Shane, welcome back, welcome back. Good morning to you. What laptop do you use? MacBook laptop. I have a lot of other laptops, but this is the one I use for business purposes. Hey, Lance, hope you're doing great. Hope you're doing great, Matthew. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you so much. What is an Asian stream? Asian streams we do for members. It just means that we're trading during the Asian session. So Asian Open at my time is 8 p.m. But we typically start the streams at 7 p.m. We had a lot of workshops this week, so that's why we didn't really do any Asian streams this week. But today's the last day to do Asian stream this week, so yeah, we're gonna do one tonight. Good morning, Valley. Good morning. I see you. Welcome, welcome. Tell me that gold is going to 1720 because I am a loss. Please answer me. Oh, so you think I have like the magic words where I could say price is going somewhere and it's going to go there? That going to make you feel better? Stream just for special members? It's for all members. The Asian stream's for all members. So as long as you're a member, you can join the Asian streams. When we're done with the Asian streams, then we put it up to the public. But to view it while we're live, you do have to be a member. So you're all set, Histo. You'll be good for tonight. Was it a good choice to buy gold at 1701? As long as it aligns with your rules, as long as it aligns with your analysis that you follow every day, your trading plan, then yeah, it was a great choice. NAS hit you? Wait, oh, NAS hit break even? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I see you, Val. Appreciate that. Tonight? Yep, tonight. Can you give me the Powerball numbers? Pull out the crystal ball. Okay, so now that US30 is on this, you know, we got 9 minutes left for the next hourly candle, so I'm gonna wait to see how the next hourly candle forms. Let's check on gold. Wow, that looks terrible. on the 4 hour. All right, so we did touch that 50% line on the 30-minute. I was hoping it would at least get to that box as well, because we had a bank zone there. It's very choppy. Those of you who are in trades that don't know what you're doing, the real question is why are you in a trade if you don't know what you're doing? The answer to that question, I can answer it for you. The only reason you're in a trade when you don't know what you're doing is because you think you're going to miss something. You have a fear that you're going to miss an opportunity to take a trade. Right? That's FOMO. So get out your feelings and have no emotion. You know? Get out your feelings. Learn how to trade. You can't be taking trades if you don't know what you're doing. How are you going to get behind a car and drive a car if you don't know how to drive a car? Bro. How you going to drive a car if you don't know how to drive a car? You going to get up on the highway, you don't even know how to drive? That's tough. You know what I mean? You gonna get up on the plane if the pilot don't know how to drive the damn plane? If the pilot don't know how to fly the plane, you gonna get up on that plane? Are you gonna ride it? Yeah? Because you got a destination to get to? Because the destination may be an island full of millions of dollars? Right? Is that why? Because that's what you're doing. Look. Look. This is sand, right? That's the water. Right? What do you think this is? Don't make fun of me now. Don't make fun of me. This the palm tree. Look, there's your island, right? This is how y'all act. This is literally how y'all act. Here's an island right here full of money. I don't know, $1 million sitting on that island. Money tree. Y'all are funny. $1 million sitting on that island. This is an artist now. And you being you gonna hop on Air Spirit. Bad choice, by the way. I don't know, whatever this hoe is called. You finna hop on this airplane right here? This airplane right here, you gonna hop on that airplane with a pilot who don't even know how to fly because you may land on that island? It's just some possibility you may land on that damn island. Air FOMO, yeah. You ride an Air FOMO Spirit, JetBlue FOMO, to an island that got millions of dollars, not even a million, hundreds of millions of dollars. And you just gonna choose someone who don't know how to damn fly. Yeah, we may make it. I don't know. We may make it. We may survive. I don't know. I'm just gonna enter the trade anyway. That's how y'all act. Seriously. That's crazy. Air FOMO. Get off of Air FOMO, man. Come back down to the ground. Get out of your head. Get out your feelings. And start learning. Hopefully I'm speaking to someone out there today. Y'all like that island? It's a beautiful island. But guess what? I got plenty of analogies for you. Trust me. Sticker idea. What? Air FOMO? Oh, you want a sticker? You want an Air FOMO sticker? We could change out the FOMO sticker to Air FOMO. Do you want to do that? Let me know. Let me know in the chat. All right, we got 3 minutes. 3 minutes left. I'm just waiting for this candle to close here. I'm hourly. Get your parachutes. Pilot jumped ship, left the passengers in the air. Y'all ever see, it happened years ago, and this is a true story. I don't remember which cruise ship it was, but there was a cruise ship, and the captain, he hit something. And no, I'm not talking about the Titanic. This was recently, within the last 20 years or so that this happened. But anyway, the pilot hit something. Boom, boom, boom. The ship starts sinking. Now the ship is slowly sinking. The rules is the captain is supposed to be the last person on the ship. Y'all know that, especially if you sail, you know what I'm talking about. This captain, what do you think he did? He didn't tell any of his staff members. He didn't alert the emergency or anything. He jumped ship. Yes. Coastal Control. Oh, is that it? Is that the one? Was that the ship? Yeah, he was first to jump. He left. He said, "I'm out." Yo, he said, "I'm out." That's so bad. That is so bad. Fired? Oh yeah. He's never driving a ship ever again. That's bad. He was from Italy? Was he? I don't think so. But here's the funny part. He got into a lifeboat, and they asked him, "Well, how did you get into a lifeboat first?" You know what he said? What do you think he said, chat? Let me see who knows in the chat. What was his excuse for why he was in a lifeboat first? Do you remember? If you saw this court case, let me know. Let me see who knows. What was his excuse? Why he get in a lifeboat first? What did he tell the judge? Appreciate that, explode. For the vibes. He fell, yes. He told the judge he fell into the lifeboat. You fell into the lifeboat? It was an accident that he fell into. Yeah, he slipped into it. It was an accident. Y'all believe that? That's just a coincidence, huh? Ain't that a coincidence? That's tough. If really bro was a person. That's tough. I'm gonna have to look it up to see when that happened, because that's just hilarious. But yeah, I just thought that was funny. But I'll tell you a story on we got 1 minute left here. 1 minute left. Yeah, I'm not seeing nothing on either of these. Hear me out. I realize US30 is at resistance. Yes, I do know that. Yes, I see that. But it's still... No, there she goes. Still in the tricky spot. Appreciate that, PK. Thanks for following me on Twitch. He's in prison? Oh, I bet. It's a lot of people's lives put in danger. He slipped and saved himself. Oh, I know I was gonna tell you. So, last time I was on a cruise, I just really want to give credit to the captain, because Man, it was our last night at the last island we were at. It was our last night in Mexico. And as we were sailing away, it became like nighttime. And it just got really scary, y'all. We got caught up in a storm. For those who don't know, storms start out at sea, right? That's where a storm starts. That's the worst of the storm, by the way, because that's where it starts. Then it comes over to where we live, you know. That's how storms start. But anyway, man, the waves were over 10 feet. You can look it up. I was on the biggest cruise ship in the world. It's a brand new cruise ship here in the US. I was on its 20th cruise. So it was its 20th time going out on a cruise. It was a brand new cruise ship. But so you can imagine how big it was. Oh my goodness, it was very, very scary. Like I was on I could be like on the 11th floor, like in the main room, and you can see the waves crash up on it. Like we were rocking like crazy. I was like, oh no, this is some Titanic BS. We are done. We're done. That's it. We're done. We're done. I was trying to plot. I was trying to figure out, okay, what can I do here? It's nighttime. First of all, it's dark. If you ever been out at sea, you can't see anything. It's pitch black dark. If you've been on a cruise before, you know what I'm talking about. Or if you've been out at sea, you know what I'm talking about. Especially if you're in the Navy, you know what I'm talking about. Pitch black in a storm. So I just want to say that captain is goated. He assured everyone that it was going to be fine. He assured everyone that he got it. The staff members were keeping everybody. Like we had to go to like the main room. We had to be outside of our rooms. But man, they did such a great job. So, bruh, that captain, just all I'm going to say is he deserves a big check. Most definitely. For sure. You went sailing for a week? Oh, nice. I don't know how they do it. No motion sickness? Yeah, I do. I do have motion sickness. I do. So that was tough. I actually did pretty good. So if you haven't been on a cruise before, if you have motion sickness like me, the bigger the ship, the less you're going to have motion sickness. So if you go on a little boat, yeah, you're going to have motion sickness. But if you go on like a big cruise ship, you should be okay. Because I have it bad. So I'm just telling you from my experience. I have it really bad. So, but also I wore those bracelets from Amazon for motion sickness. I wore those bracelets. So I'm assuming it worked. So I'm going to buy those bracelets again because just in case. You know, but that night, yeah, I definitely got it that night. There was no like, yeah, comes from experience, right? Yeah, he was a trained, he was in the SEALs, he was in the Navy SEALs, yeah, he's an all-star. So yeah, they have specific people who drive those cruise ships for a reason. You have to have a lot of experience just to drive one. They don't just let any captain drive those. Because, I mean, you're dealing with thousands and thousands of people, you know? I tried to fake motion sickness to avoid work. What? What? Don't tell me that. I'm going on a cruise at the end of the month to celebrate my birthday. Are you? Nice. No. You need to go on that cruise. I'm telling you, I've been to many, many places. I've been on many vacations, and the cruise was my favorite. So if anyone is able to take a cruise in their life, I'm always going to tell you, go. 100% go. You're going to love it. You will love it. I promise you. Those of you listening to me right now, whenever you get a little money to spend, if you are able to go on a cruise, please give yourself that experience. It's a lot of fun. There's plenty of things to do. If you're an extrovert, you're going to love it. If you're an introvert, you're going to love it. They have stuff for everybody. I promise you. It's so big that even if you're one of those people where you don't like to be around people, they have so many private things for you to do, you know? So as much as they have things for you to do in crowds. So Like, they literally cater to everybody. So trust me, plenty of stuff for you to do. Even if you don't like to do nothing, just do nothing. But no, yeah, definitely go on that cruise Surfire. I hope you enjoy it. All right, GJ, let me put the background back on. GJ is coming down back towards this line here. I was waiting to see if it gets to this zone where it says price may reverse here. So that's what I've been waiting on all morning. So I'm just gonna wait. Gold, I know it's New York Open. We gotta do the question of the day. We're gonna do that in a second. Gold is still just consolidating here, so I'm just gonna let it be. US30, I don't like the spot that it's in. I think this was a really good push up. I think we missed an opportunity there, but that's okay. If we take a look at this, it almost looks like we're retracing off of this line, huh? I would like to see how this 30-minute candle closes first, maybe, before looking at sells. I think that may be the safer route. Or at least till this candle closes. We got 7 minutes. So we're gonna wait it out. Horacio, welcome, welcome. Ever watch the Mega Yacht? Those are crazy. Oh, you should see that yacht in Miami. The biggest yacht. I believe it's the biggest yacht. It's crazy. Crazy, crazy. Good morning, Vive. I see you. Endless Grind. Good morning. Does the advice stand for people who can't swim? Yeah, I mean, well, I know how to swim, but my family members, like my mom doesn't know how to swim, so she still went. My aunts don't really know how to swim. My whole family went. We had like 20 people, 21 people go, and more than half of them can't swim. More than half of them can't swim. So yeah, I wouldn't worry about swimming. Besides, you get a life jacket. If something were to happen, I mean, you would get a life jacket. It's not like, you know, I wouldn't worry about that. Juan, hi Armando, kind of new to the crypto world. This is not crypto, so I'm not going to read the rest of that question. This is not a crypto. This is Forex. First time catching you live. Janella, welcome, welcome. Agree, it's like a city on the ship. Love it, Lynn's giving me an idea to go. Yeah, literally, it's like a city. Literally, that's a good way to put it. It's like a city on a ship. You know what's crazy? After the first 2 nights, it felt normal. It felt like we just usually lived that way every day. It felt like we lived on the ship, which is crazy. But that's how homey they make you feel, you know? I wanted to wait for this candle to close, but it looks like we're probably going to be breaking the low here. US30. Alright, y'all, so it is 8 o'clock. I'm going to take a pause on the chat and just read the Discord because I know we have some questions of the days for today. So I just want to get through those questions real quick. If you're new to the stream, we do question of the day at 8 o'clock every single day. Let's see what was sent in. King, where do you get your information from? I'm going to delete that because that's what we do for super supporters. That's super supporter information. So I'm going to delete the first part. The second part, how do you learn to think like the market maker? So my experience from trading comes from my personal experience within my personal trades. It comes from your trades, right? The help of you all. It's just a combination of knowledge. So you have to, and this is just not just for trading, just for anything in life. You have to be able to take pieces of things and put it together and formulate your own bias. Okay, put it together and formulate your own thing. So it's just all from knowledge combined, thrown into one. That's basically what it is. Next, who we got here? Mel. Sleep. Funny because I literally posted US30 setup this morning and normally trade London. Don't usually necessarily trade New York. Oh, wait. I think you... I'm going to assume you posted this in the wrong spot, Mel. Let's see. Squeeze. What's up, Squeeze? Question. Can Forex traders lose profitability over time? I'm going to thumbs that one up since I did. Can Forex traders lose profitability over time? I think that question's pretty straightforward. The question is can you lose money over time? Right? I think that's pretty straightforward. Can you lose money over time? Obviously, yes. Right? Anybody can lose money. People win the lottery and they lose it all, right? So, yeah, I mean, anybody can lose money. Andre, welcome to the official fam. Appreciate that. What's good, Rages? What's up? Bacon said, I'm a Pisces, but I hit the water. I think I'm in the wrong sign. Yo, you're so funny. That's funny. Water sign, it doesn't necessarily mean you're supposed to like the water. It's more the deeper meaning of water, right? Like water signs are pretty emotional. So it's more off of your emotions. But yes, I do see chat. I do see it's breaking the low. I see it. I see it. Alright, we got about less than 2 minutes to go. Wanted to see how this candle closed. Gold still in the same spot. GJ consolidating. Okay, so we're gonna go back over to US30. All right. I think the question is, if you're profitable now, can you eventually become not profitable? I think it's a common sense question, right? Can you, is it possible that you can become not profitable? Is that possible? I think that's a pretty common sense question, no? Is it not? If you're rich now, can you become broke? Is it possible you can become broke? That's basically what you're asking. Is it possible? Well, I mean, it's a pretty straightforward question. Gotta think sometimes. Let's see, 15 pips down. If you're new to the stream, if you want to know the answers to the commonly most asked questions, you're going to have to read the details. Best way for you to get an answer. Okay, so this candle did close below here. Cam King, good morning. $1.1K in the chat. Don't forget to like the stream. Appreciate that, Tamika. Range breakout and retest. It could be just retesting. No setup for me personally. Just watching it. Are you selling? No, there's no setup for me. No setup for me. Expectations for the news. I think the news. I think I need to see the chart for another hour or so to really get an expectation for the news. Are there any other mods here? Should be. Sleepless is here. A7's here. Why do you need to break mods? Oh, here we go. Here we go. Hi, Percy. I got 13 days left on the challenge, looking up to tomorrow next week. Is it worth continuing to trade or wait for free retake? I'm only up 1% due to new stop loss. Oh, yeah, I mean, you got 13 days left. You got plenty of time. So just continue doing what you're doing. I'm with it soon. Only 100 trades for 2022. Looks like someone has to learn how to read. But I don't know why you're saying only, Frederick, because I know for sure you don't have 100 wins this year. I know that for a fact. That's why you're here. Paul, what's up, Paul? What's your take on growing a small account? Nice. Go for it. Any thoughts on brokers? Henkel trade. Forget reading, he gotta go. He's gone. He's been gone. Quality, not quantity. Ooh, I like that one. Good quote. Yeah, I mean, the only people that comment on those stuff are people who aren't doing this full time. People who could never get up here and do that. People who could never get up here and show their face and do that. They would never. So they have to comment on it because it's something they can't do, you know. When you can't do something, you comment on it. Down 2%. The challenge ends next Wednesday. Take your time. You still got days to go. You got today, you got tomorrow. Monday's a holiday, but you got Tuesday and then you got Wednesday. So it sounds like you got 4 days. Go for 1% a day. You know, try to go for 1% today. Try to go for 1% tomorrow. You know. Good morning, Keisha. Welcome back. I see you. You blew your account? How'd you do that? How'd you blow your account? Morning fam, what's up, Pepe? Looking forward to the ISM news. Let's go. Yeah, me too. Me too. We're gonna be switching over to NAS in about 40 minutes. Just a heads up. My goal for NAS, I haven't looked at it today yet, but if it looks like a good setup, then I would like to be in a setup before the news. I think that would be a good play, but if we don't get it, we don't get it, you know. But we'll see what NAS has to bring. Glad for the past month. No FOMO. Wait for the market to give you a setup. There you go. Optimist. I like your name too. Love the hat. Appreciate that. Topic of the day. Do people think before saying something? Lamel. Lamel. My personal setup for US30 is long. Stop loss is 31298. 31. Oh, down here. Did you take a buy already? Or you're waiting to take a buy? Achu, good morning. I thought, you know what? When I read that, I was thinking of a sneeze. I don't know why. You know how like when you sneeze, you say Achu? Don't pay me no mind. Just ignore me. Abiado, good morning. Can you turn on the timer on the screen? There's a timer right here. Can you see it? Right here. Or if you're talking about the time, there's a time above my head. There should be time. Let me see if I can make it bigger. I'm gonna make it bigger for you. That's too big. I'll make it a little smaller. Ah, it's too big. All right, a little smaller, a little smaller. All right, that should be good. We're gonna keep it like that. Yeah, that should be good. Veronica, good morning. Have you realized you're famous? No, I'm not. I'm not famous. I'm not famous. Past phase 1, nice. Congratulations. Congrats. If you break the daily drawdown rule, you have to pay again? Yes, because you broke the rule. Yep, you do have to pay again. NAS and US30 points calculate the same? Yes. Gonna miss you today. Got a job interview in an hour. Dr. Ben, good luck on your job interview. We're wishing you well over here. Yo, Ray, just stop. Ray just making me laugh. Hold on. What? What is going on? Moto, good morning. What time is it? 8:25. 8:25 it is. Sorry, chat. I'm like behind in the chat. I'm trying to catch up. There's just so much going on. Trevor, welcome to Super Supporter. Appreciate that. Welcome, welcome. A guy with a pen, good morning. King said good luck. I'm a little behind in the chat. So if you said something in the chat and I missed your question, go ahead and type it again. Alfonso, good morning. Dottie. What's up, Dottie? Hi. Poquita, good morning. What's up, Alfonso? Does my Forex funds have a free trial? Can't find it? No, they do not. You have to pay for the challenge. No free trials. No free trials, because if you're truly prepared to take the challenge, then you don't need a free trial. You just go in and take the challenge, you know? The only people that should be taking the challenge are people who are ready to be full-time, you know? Is that only famous people say that? Chat, am I famous, chat? I don't think so. I don't think so. Let me hear your opinion, though. Hi, Denise. Good morning. Woke up with a headache and these puppies running around demanding breakfast. It's chaos. Aw, you got a bunch of puppies. That's sweet. Hopefully you feel better. Yes, y'all saying yes? Tamika said, don't lie, chat. Super. I keep blowing my account. Any advice? Well, did you learn anything is the first question. Because if you didn't learn anything, then I can't give you any advice. You have to learn the lesson, you know? It's impossible for you to blow your account if you are truly following risk management, you know? You know what I mean? If I see you, I'd ask for a picture for the gram. There was a lot of people saying yes. Forex famous. So like, if you're risking 1% a day, right? That means you have to lose 100 times in a row to blow your account. Now, what's the odds of you losing 100 times in a row? So I'm gonna say take one trade a day. Here you go, right here. Here's your advice. Take one trade a day. Risk 1%. Do that for 2 months straight. That's it. That's my advice for you. Do it for 2 months straight. Hi, Tina. Just passing through. Person just passed. Wow, there's a lot of you passing. That's good news. If I saw you live, I'd look at you twice. Wait, what does that mean? Oh, you mean in real life? If you saw me in real life? New topic of the day, famous Forex. Definitely be famous after 5K to 100K. Dropping gems back to back. Appreciate that. Telegram. Absolutely not. No Telegram. Nope. There's no Telegram group. All the Telegram groups you see of me are fake. That is not me on Telegram. There's like 6 different profiles. It's not me. Told 4 people about you yesterday. Appreciate that. All right, chat. Here's the next question while we're waiting. Right now, we're just waiting for 9 o'clock. That's all we can do here. There's no, unfortunately, sometimes you get up here and the chart moves, and if you don't see your setup, you don't see your setup. I don't see my setup. So it's kind of unfortunate. I am kind of banking on NAS and US30 for this news, so hopefully the long-awaited wait will be worth the wait. Yeah, I mean, I was hoping we get a trade in before the news, but it looks like we may have to wait for 9 o'clock here to look at NAS. But question in chat: You see me in person, what you doing? What happens if you see me in person? There you go, that's our question. Are you gonna say hi? Screaming, what? He said screaming. Come up and introduce myself, there you go. Slapping my mama, wait, what? Alright, y'all. Slapping my mama. Take your trade together, oh, there we go. Shake your hand, nice, nice. There we go. Take your phone and run. Yikes. I wouldn't try that if I were you. You know, we you know, in GTA. Never mind. GTA chat. It's a good game. Buy you a coffee. Oh, thank you. For sure saying what's up. See, there we go. Okay, so y'all would say hi. Okay. Don't DM me later and be like, Linz, I saw you, but I didn't want to say hi. Come say hi. We'll go hang out or something. Yeah, for all the people saying they're gonna rob me and take my money in GTA, that would never happen. In GTA. On GTA, that would never happen. Introduce you to my wife and give thanks. Nice. Get you a coffee. There we go. Do a backflip. Haha. The shooters, they be creeping. Turn into Drill Zone in GTA. Drill Zone in GTA. If you don't know what a drill zone is, then that means you shouldn't be saying what you're saying, because that means we from two different places. Drill zone time in GTA. The mods will get you. Yeah, the real snipers will come out in GTA. GTA, it's a good game. Real snipers in GTA will come out. No cap. You're welcome to try, though. Welcome to try. That's what you want to do. I mean, the red dots will be out in GTA. GTRP, yeah, GTRP. That's what we're talking about. Only real ones know what I'm talking about. Hi, Jasper. Could be a ninja. That's funny. Buy your coffee, talk about trading? Yeah, there we go. We can do that. That'll be fun. Wow. Okay, US30 here. The 15-minute candle flip. $15-minute candle flip, y'all. Timed out in the Discord. What's your name in the Discord? Let me see. If you're timed out, I'm gonna assume it's because you're not verified. That would probably be the only reason. Yeah, the only reason people are timed out right now is because they're not verified. Let me see, what's your name? Is your name Flimco in the Discord? Or is it different? Oh, you are Flimco. Okay, I see you, Flimco. I just found you. So, you need to verify yourself. Okay? So, I'm removing that timeout as we speak. So, you should be all set now, but you do need to verify yourself because you're going to get timed out again. So, I'm going to need you to do that for us. How excited are you to start the challenge next week? You know what? I'm excited, Stagner. I'm excited. I'm excited to do it. You know, it's something that no one else has done yet on YouTube. So that means that you're going to see other people do it now. So don't be surprised if you see someone else start with 5K and start flipping, because that's what we're doing. And we already announced it 2 weeks ago. So like I said, don't be surprised if you see it. But we gave the announcement early, so you already know that we're starting it next Tuesday. But yeah, I'm excited because you get to see the reality of trading. You get to see the reality of flipped accounts. You get to see gold is a battle. Bacon. I'm sorry, I gotta stop reading the chat. But yeah, you get to see the reality of what is it like to actually flip an account without over leveraging, over trading, getting lucky over leveraging, stuff like that. Like, to actually stick to being disciplined and flip your account, what is it like? So you're gonna get to see how long it really takes, because a lot of people are BSing you online, saying that they did it in like 5 days. And I mean, if they made 100% in 5 days, yes, it can be possible, but I'm just saying, like, a lot of them, you know, over leveraging stuff, they're feeding you BS. So because then some of you're sitting there and you're sitting there and you're wondering, you're like, oh, why is it taking me so long? Why is it this? Why is it that? And the reality is it does take time to grow. It takes a lot of time to grow. You know? So that's why we're going to do it. But yeah. Anthony, good morning. Moreland's look scalp trade on US30 caught 70 pips. Nice, nice, Chris. I do see the little candle flip here. I do see. I was waiting for the next 30-minute candle, but I just let it go this time. But yeah, this definitely was the idea I was looking for here. When I said I was waiting for the 30-minute to close, I was waiting for this one to close. Ah, we missed that trade. That's okay. That is okay. Good evening, Harry. I see you. Caught the entire sell. Nice. Nice, nice. I'm excited too. You've been a big help, especially the mental aspect of trading. Big thanks. No problem. IBS over leverage. When I play with a small account, it's patience of a high school teacher in a bad neighborhood. Oh my goodness. That's a very specific relation there. Zunzi Biggie, good morning. I see you. A lot of growth before Christmas? Yes. Yes. I'm really excited to see where a lot of you are going to be at for Christmas. It's nice to see that the people who were here since the beginning are beating their challenges now and trading by themselves now. Like, Yo, y'all are growing. It's crazy. It's really crazy how much you're growing from the live streams. Like, especially the ones who came into the live streams like, what's your strategy? What's this and that? Oh, okay, I'm new. You know, I'm just learning, blah, 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 blah. And then months down the line, those of you who used to ask those questions, you're literally trading by yourself now and beating your challenges. So it's honestly really amazing to use. Really love seeing the progress here. It's really good. Keep it up, y'all. Good evening. I see you. Matanakam Kumara. So sorry if I pronounced your name wrong. EJ faked you out? Oh no. What's your position now? Giving it 20 minutes. I am waiting to take a look at NAS. So we retraced off of our line here. Okay, so we did a double top action here. All right, so we can delete that. So this was the line we put here in the morning, so we figured price would retrace, but it looks like it did retrace off of it. Came back up at 8:30 and continued. Man, bad luck today, chat. Why is this hourly line should have been here? Oh man, we're missing trades today, y'all. Oh man, yeah, that could have been a good one. That could have been a good one. That's okay. Crazy how much your channel's growing bigger than most of the traders who started before. Appreciate that. Do you offer mentorship? For the super supporters, we're pretty much mentoring them. What else here? But yeah, I mean, I think the reason why we grew so fast is because not just the consistency and our trade callouts and all that, but you know, this stream is more than just Forex trading. You know, we actually conversate. I actually talk to my viewers. A lot of you, you know, I know a lot of personal things about you. We talk, you know, we're friends, you know, like we literally talk, you know. I talk to y'all on the Discord all the time. So, you know, we have a more personal relationship on this stream. I think that's why. And also a big part of it is a lot of people stayed here because they learned stuff here that they didn't learn from anyone else. And you know, that's the beauty of knowledge, right? You can get knowledge from anybody. You know, it's nice to grab knowledge from as much as you can. You know, I can give you knowledge, other traders can give you knowledge, and you can combine that knowledge. You learn a lot of things. But yeah, I mean, people been up here for 4 or 5 years and people still come to the stream and they learn things that they never heard, not one time before. So, but other than that, I mean, we're different over here. We're official fam. We're different. If you want to know the meaning behind the official, in case you're new here. Actually, let me see. Let me see who knows in the chat. Does anybody know? What's the meaning behind official? Why are we calling ourselves official fam? Let's see. I'm looking at this as a missed trade. Don't worry. I am looking at this as we missed an opportunity here. That's okay. Oh man. 60 pips. For the love of God. What I would do with 60 pips right now, man. Who trained you? The question is why do you have the mindset that somebody trained me? Why do you have that mindset that someone had to train me to do what I do? Are you saying that I'm not capable of being successful on my own? You're saying that I had to be trained? You shouldn't have that mindset. So that means that you can't be successful unless someone trains you to be successful. Is that what you're saying then? Someone has to train you to be successful? Is that what you're saying? Think about it. You gotta change your mindset. Great for trading, mental health, the chill vibes. Appreciate that. Community's great. Few days in, your composure and discipline. Thank you. Not new, but I don't know. Don't know the answer. Because you officially do everything on your own. Who trained you to ask the question? Yo, Lamel is killing me today. Yo, I can't. Hold on. Okay. So the reason behind the official family and the official is because we officially trade over here, meaning we really trade over here. Like in real life, we really are traders. Okay? We officially trade. So that's the meaning behind it. Like we really trade over here. Because there's a lot of people, as you know, on Instagram and all that don't really trade. A lot of people on YouTube who don't really trade. You know? There's only a certain amount of people on here that can go live and give you call outs. There's only a specific amount of people who can give you live call outs. Other than those people, what are the other people doing? You know what I'm saying? So that is the meaning behind it. So official trader. We officially trade over here. Makes sense? Does that make sense? So when we come out with merch and y'all get y'all official trader merch, I hope that you wear it proud. Wear it nice and proud. Because you officially trade. You officially do what you do. You're just official. That's it. Top tier. No questions. Make sense? Perfect answer. Why you trade non-regulated broker? I trade non-regulated and I trade regulated. I actually have both, Isaac. Fun fact for you. I actually have both. So maybe if you watch the streams, you'd know that because I pretty much answer that question almost every day. How you tell when the market is being choppy? Oh, it's about to stop being choppy. Well, when it breaks structure, like right here, we just broke structure. That's pretty much it. We just broke structure. So you've seen all this choppiness, choppy. Boom, start breaking structures. When you ship the merch worldwide, I'm gonna look into that. I'm gonna make sure that it will be available for you to order worldwide. I haven't even gotten to making it yet, but I told you if we get 100K subs, then I'll look into it. So if we get up to 100K, I'll start doing my research. I see you, Alfonso. Consistency beats skill and talent all the time. What's your take on IG as a platform? I just have social media for business purposes, but other than that, other than like business purposes to advertise yourself and grow and stuff, I don't really deal with social media. I think that a lot of people on social media post to get reactions out of people. People post for likes, people post for attention. I think not everyone, but I'm just talking about the majority of people. And I think a lot of people are addicted to it. I think a lot of people, they need validation from someone, and you shouldn't live your life needing validation for someone. Would you keep buying those watches and cars if you think? You have to really think about it. Think about it. Those of you who have a car that you want right now, think about that dream car you want. Is that your dream car because that's the car you really want, or is it your dream car because it's everyone else's dream car? Is it your dream car so you can show it off on Instagram and Facebook? Or is it your dream car because you truly like it? You gotta think about it. Would you really be buying designer that much if it wasn't to show it? Or are you buying designer for you? So think about it in that way. Oh, not Instagram. You're not talking about Instagram. My fault. I thought you were talking about Instagram. But yeah, I think, just summing up, I think people post things to make themselves feel relevant, and I think it's because they really care about what people think. Me, I don't care what people think. Never did, never will. That's why my car is not on Instagram. Although some of you saw my story yesterday in my car. I know a lot of you replied to my story yesterday. If you haven't already seen my story, it's probably going to expire in another hour. So if you wanted to see it, it's a tiny clip of me in my car. Let me know if you saw it in chat. Who saw it on Instagram? Because I don't really post. And what you saw, you still can't really, you can't even see it. Speak, I can't with this Dr. Miami BBL phase is done because these females look like ants. Wait, what? Wait, what? Love your take on social media. Share the same view. Rent a nice car for a day. Take pictures for clout. Bravo, my car is not rented. Number one. Number two, take pictures for clout. You don't even know what kind of car it is. So how is that pictures for clout? You can't even see what kind of car it is. You can't see any logos. You can't see anything. So you sound stupid and you sound like a hater. And I know you're a hater. So thank you for letting me know that you're jealous of me. Thank you for letting me know that I'm doing better than you in life. So thank you for letting me know. I make more money than you. I'm happier than you. I can trade better than you. Everything I do is better than you. So thank you for letting me know that. Thank you for reminding me that I'm on top and you're at the bottom. Thank you for reminding me. Appreciate that. I need that reminder. If I needed validation, you'd see a whole picture of the car. So your argument is irrelevant. Now you just sound dumb. There's no logos. You sound stupid. Dummy. Go look at it again. Where's the logo? Yay. The brain power is crazy, bro. But that's why we have paid stuff, because people in this world exist and they have the same brain power you have. That's why we have premium content. That's exactly why. We have premium content because people like you have brains like that, and we're not giving away exclusive information to people who have brain power like you. You saw it? Thank you, Macia. You saw it? Nice. Nice. But guess what? That's why it's not on Instagram, because I don't give a fuck about your opinion. Never will. It's exactly why it's not there. All the way from South Africa. Let's go. All the way from South Africa. Let's get it. Thank you, Lynn. No problem. No problem. Can imagine the breeze. Nice. Nice. Good morning from Phoenix. Zeus is back. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Welcome back, Zeus. I know you're always coming through. Oh, Brian, good morning. Welcome back. Love that. See, Alexander. What does trading mean to you? Nothing at all. Just trade. It doesn't mean anything to me. It's just candlesticks, money moving. That's it. It doesn't mean anything. I'm not emotional about trading. I don't really care. Other people are emotional about it. You know, you can't get your feelings hurt when you take a loss. That means you're being too emotional about it. So I don't really care. HP, what's up, HP? Yeah, it was fun. Casper, good morning. Think like the market makers for super supporters. You'd have to upgrade to being a super supporter. I can help with the merch, haha. How long it take you to stop trading with your emotions? Probably like a year. Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Yeah, I read that book. Yep, that's a really good book. How do you join the premium? I'll give you the link. Hold on. So my answer was rude. If you don't like it, leave the stream. What you want? Answer's not going to change. It's not going to change. If you come to the stream, you're coming here to get my opinion. It's my stream. So whatever I say is my opinion. You don't like it, go to another stream. Unsubscribe, move on with your life. Simple. It's that easy. Click the unsubscribe button. Literally, it's that easy. Imagine that. That's all you got to do. Click unsubscribe and never click on a video ever again. Do not come back. There you go. Go be happy. Not that hard. So I just changed the join link at the top since people keep asking. Change it from the Discord link. Is stream on delay? I think there is a 10-second delay. I think there is a 10-second delay. Hold on, let me see. Hold on. Let me see if I can. Let me see if I can take that away. So you're watching me at 8:58:20. I'm gonna refresh it and see if I can get the delay gone. Let's see. If I click this. Wait, let me play it back. Is the delay gone? Is the delay gone, or is it still delayed? How much is the delay for you? Let me know. Let me click out of here and come back. Three to 4 seconds. Better now. I was gonna say maybe click out and refresh. I think it's gone. 5 seconds. No delay. 7 seconds. 10 seconds, really? I mean, I know there's always going to be at least a second delay. I'll try something different when I start tomorrow's stream. Shouldn't be too bad, though. All right, we are approaching 9 o'clock, which is what we were waiting for here. So... delete that. I just want to see where gold came down to. We're gonna move over to NAS. I think we're gonna leave gold alone. I'm thinking for this news, we can check out US30 and NAS, and we'll do it like that. That's what I think we're gonna do. So I'm gonna switch GJ out. Let's change this color. All right, here we go. 6 second delay. Hold on. Should be okay. Okay. Here we go, y'all. We're going to do NAS now. Let's do an analysis. Let's see if we can set something up. Harambe, what's good? What's up? What's up? All right, so it pretty much looks the same as US30, right? We're coming down towards this support area here. You could say demand area on the weekly. The daily's coming down, but we know that we previously retraced in this area, so this is why we're in a tough zone, because price previously reversed here on the daily. We also have a resistance matched up here with the support, which makes it a major zone. Okay, so I just want to point that out. Let's go to, actually, let's mark that up so that we can keep track of that, just in case we may need this line later on. I just want to know where this is, where it retraced at. Okay, so daily. So let's go down to the 4 hour. Okay. So when we go down to the 4 hour, let's look at it both ways. Let's look at it for buys and sells. So for buys, we know we have this area here we can fill out. Okay, if we're looking for sells, where's my cursor? We have this area here we can fill out. Okay, so we're kind of, as you can see, no surprise, we're consolidating kind of on this zone, waiting for that news, which way are we going to break? Okay, so within looking at NAS, I'm just going to replace this line so that I don't have all these zones up here. And I'm going to write 4 hour. Down below here. We have this too. All right, so we got a lot of lines here already. Let's go down to the hourly. If we come down to the hourly now, well, we can see a few things here. Looks like we were choppy between here and here. Looks like we had to break a structure to the top side, came up to this imbalance, we traced back off of it, and we came back down. So again, we're in a tough zone because we already retraced off of an imbalance. So we're kind of in a tough spot. Let me see it on the 30-minute. Yeah, it's like not really a clear direction of where we want to go. Like I said, you have to remember we're on a major demand zone on a higher time frame, right? On a daily time frame, this is a major retracement zone. Like price can bounce off of here and go bullish because it's on the daily. So gotta be very careful. As much as we can go down, we can go up. Okay, so it's a very, very tough spot. So what I'm gonna say is, because price is being so choppy, for me personally, I think I'm gonna let it play out for 9:30, and then we'll see what happens at 9:45, and we'll see what we think the news is gonna do, and we'll just play it like that. Because right now she's in a zone where she could be 50-50. We like to take high percentage trades over here, which is why we have a high win rate, because we go for high percentage trades. Going for 50-50 trades is a 50-50, you know, so that's my thoughts. Let's see. Yeah, mods, it's fine, mods. You can leave those. Those messages are fine, mods. Let's see. So yeah, I'm thinking we have a 50-50 shot right now. So let's let it play out a little bit more and see if we can get a clear cut on which way she wants to go today. That's my thoughts. I just want to see what the bank zones are. Interesting. All right, so we have about 23 minutes till NYSE open. So like I said, we want to see the behavior of NAS during the open. Let's see if it gives us a little bit more of a clear setup here after that candle closes around 9:45. And then we have the news at 10. So today's been a stream of watching plays happen. The only thing I can say about today for US30 is I'm thinking this candle flip would have been nice for us today. Other than that, price is ranging on a higher time frame. If I turn this off, you can see on a higher time frame, we're ranging. Or probably the 1 hour I should show you. We're just ranging back and forth. That's all right. Let's go doing. Appreciate that. Thank you so much for the follow. Hey, I need 250 to pass 50K phase 1. Nervous to take a trade. My advice is if you're nervous to take a trade, then you're not ready, right? You're not ready. You should only be taking those challenges when you are ready to trade. That's why 90% of people are failing, because they're not ready. You may be ready strategy-wise, but maybe you're not ready emotionally, right? So my advice is get rid of that fear. Just say, you know what? I'm not scared to trade. I'm going to follow what I've been doing, and that's it, Just follow what you've been doing. Let go of fear. Take that trade. Make sure you use proper risk like you've been doing, and there you go. Continue doing it, No more fear, Mike. You got it. No more fear. Stick to your rules. Stick to your plan. Just go for it, One trade a day. Shout out to Phil. Yeah, shout out to Phil for making that for us. Shout out to Phil. Hold on, chat. Okay, there we go. Jay Halens just came across your channel. Awesome, transparent live sessions. They're fire. Appreciate that, Jay. Little vibes, first time. Lock it in. Let's go. 392 God. Let's get it. Lock in. Yeah, those of you, if it's your first time here, we didn't get in any trades today. We didn't. Big surprise. It's been a while since we had a day where we didn't get in any trades. But if you are new, if you're new to the channel, the last trade we got, I did not make a video. What was the last trade we got? The last trade we got was, the one where we got 21,000 views. So that was 2 days ago. This was the last trade we got. Very nice here. We had sell stops here. Sell stops here on, was it gold? I didn't make a trade review. You know how I usually do trade reviews when we get a win? I didn't do one on this one. I was just too lazy. But yeah, this was our trade for the stream here in gold. How many pips did that go? Like, I went 100 pips down, right? That was 2 days ago. But yeah, I mean, you can look 100 pip runner. That was another 2 days ago. Oh no, this one was 3 days ago. I don't know why this is 2 days ago. This one was 3 days ago. But yeah, I do these little recaps of stuff we do. You know, we're in drawdown and she went crazy, but yeah. So you can check out the channel when you get a chance. And you can scroll through and you can see the trades we do here on stream. What was this one? 2 weeks ago, I was showing why we didn't get stopped out. Yeah. All right. It happens. So, you know, sometimes we miss trades. It happens. It's just a part of the game, you know. It happens. You're not gonna get every trade. There's no perfect trader out there. You know. It's like this 30 minutes trying to fill out this wick. Those of you who keep asking about the strategy, when you come to the streams, you're gonna have to take the time to watch like everybody else, because that's how everyone else became successful. You don't just come into a stream and automatically know right off the bat, right? It takes time. Things aren't easy to you. Things are not given to you in life that easily, are they? If things were given to you in life that easily, everyone would be doing it. You know that. You actually put some work in. So the easy part for you is you just have to watch. Which also isn't really easy, huh? Because it's hard to just sit there and watch someone. But the only way to get it is to sit there and watch. Other than that, people who have in-depth strategy breakdowns are people who are super supporters. So that's what the super supporters are for. Those are the people who have all the sauce. I was taking a look at this on a hard time frame. It looks like it wants to go bullish. To me, it looks like it wants to go bullish, but we'll see here. Migna, good morning. How'd I learn? From practicing. Hundreds of thousands of hours practicing. First, I'm here to show the trades taking on the platform. Right now, I just show this position, stuff like that. But starting next week, we are pulling up the MT5 on stream. Let me just get the thumbnail for you so you can see it. 1 second. So tomorrow will be the last stream of us doing streams like this. Tomorrow. After that, we're pulling up the MT5. So next week, the live stream is going to look like this. This is going to be the thumbnail. I revealed this about 2 weeks ago, so as you start seeing your fellow traders do the same thing, don't be surprised. But I did reveal this 2 weeks ago. This is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be taking a account from 5,000 to 100,000 on a live account. Okay, so you're going to be seeing me input the trades on the MT5. Okay, so you're going to see the analysis here, but then we're going to switch over so you can see this screen as well, okay? So you'll be able to see both perspectives. So that starts next week, y'all, next week. Is MT5 better? I'm gonna be honest with you. I can only give you my personal experience. I've done better with MT5, and that's only because I haven't gotten any lag yet. No lag, no issues with the colors on the charts or connecting the magic keys. I had issues with MT4. I don't know why. Maybe it was something I was doing, but I don't know. I had a lot of issues, but I ended up deleting the MT4 off my computer, and I downloaded MT5, and I've just been having better luck. So no issues, no complaints, no lag. I literally have no complaints about MT5. I get in exactly when I want to get in. So to me, I think MT5 is better, and that's just because it hasn't given me any problems yet. So I'm happy with that. And also the magic keys. So I thought that it was my magic keys that were broken, but I think it was just MT4. So I don't know. It just kept disconnecting and stuff. So with the MT5, I haven't had issues. I don't have to keep reconnecting it. MT4 is moody. That's funny. 1.2K, nice. Are you a full-time trader? Yes. Hi, ideally, how many days should we watch live streams before enrolling to Super Supporter? I mean, it's up to you. I mean, we had people enroll yesterday and it was their first day here, but I will say, and shout out to all the Super Supporters. Shout out to all the official fan members. Shout out to all the subscribers. Shout out to everyone who's here. Shout out to you. You can ask the Super Supporters that are here. Let's just do a live review right now. Those of you who are Super Supporters, those of you who watched, not the Super Supporters who didn't watch Think Like the Market Maker, the ones who watched Think Like the Market Maker as well. Like I said, they already seen the account, so you kind of get like a little bit of the behind the scenes. They had the announcement before y'all knew we were doing the flipped account. They already knew, so it's kind of cool. But other than that, I explain imbalances. I show you how do you find imbalances from the beginning if you're a newbie. So that's what the Think Like the Market Maker stuff is about. We do risk management. We do trading psychology. We do back testing every week. Every week you back test with me. Not just on Saturdays, but like this week we did 3 back testing sessions this week, extra. So yeah, I do give you a lot of extra sessions. Last night we were doing the news, and we have a limited Q&A for the workshops. So at the end of the workshops, we do unlimited Q&A. So being a Super Supporter is worth it. Appreciate it, Alexander. Yeah, I mean, you can, like I said, if there's any Super Supporters here, you know, they can speak. Stagner, shout out to you, great teacher. Thank you. You know, we have our unlimited Q&A, nothing better than that. You know, so if you are struggling with something. By the way, Super Supporters, I made you a separate chat in the Discord a couple days ago in case you had questions about the Think Like the Market Maker episodes. If you had any questions about that, feel free to at me and ask me in there. It lagged for you also, yeah, MT4. Yeah, I don't know why I did that. Like I said, the biggest problem for me was my magic keys that kept disconnecting, and it just wasn't working on MT4. I don't know why. I got it to work like twice, and then I don't know what happened. So I was like, let me switch over. Did I miss the UJ backtesting? No, we ended up doing US30 that day, so you didn't miss it. We concluded that we're just going to stick with the US30. Good question. Do you have a Telegram group? No. Discord. Just started like most free for a few weeks ago. Then Sept, then the next month. Super Supporter. Appreciate that, Kareem. And the super supporters, you know, I just want to say, you know, yesterday during our workshop, I'm so amazed at how much y'all were able to call things out. Like, y'all are doing really well. That shows me that you're learning. Everyone's learning, and that's really, really good. So, we're calling out 300 pip trades, 100 pip trades. Y'all are doing so good. So, shout out to all the super supporters. That was a really good workshop. We're having great workshops. Those of you in there showing your progress. It's really good to see. Good things. What was it? Someone yesterday, what was it yesterday? Someone said, oh, I made my membership in a trade for 4 months. Such a smart individual. Appreciate that. Sweet, I was looking for it. Didn't know about the imbalances, but the videos, because super supporters, it was worth it. Learned a lot. Appreciate that prototype. No progress here. Well, I was talking about the super supporters progress. Totally worth it. Appreciate it, Tina. Hank was tripping on me big yesterday. What happened? Might have to join the community, not trying to go to college. Tyree, you might have to go to college, man. Nah, I don't say college is good, you know. College is good. What's up, Sky? Welcome back. Gold's filling out the 4-hour candle. Yeah. Looks like it. All right, we got 7 minutes. I'm just waiting for New York Open here. Seven minutes. I am thinking that we may continue bullish. I mean, look at the way these hourly candles look. They look like they want to continue bullish. Five minutes to go. Still got a runner for 2 days. Nice. Wow, 169 pips. Nice. Mega Pips Forex Academy. Oh, you're a Forex Academy? Help from a Forex Academy. Do we sell or buy gold 4-hour time frame? Well, let's see. Want to become a member, super supporter, or don't understand the Discord. Discord, you know, I know it can be like a foreign language sometimes, but it just takes a little bit of practice. It's the same thing like the candlesticks, right? You didn't understand the candlesticks until you actually started learning about them. So same thing with the Discord. You just got to take a little 2 minutes out of your day, do a little clicking around. It's pretty self-explanatory. The words pretty much say what each category is. So it just takes 2 minutes, you know. When I first started Discord, I didn't understand Discord either, so don't feel alone. Just here for the vibes and the knowledge. Appreciate that. How long do you think it's going to take to go from 5K to 100K? Good question, Miha. So what I'm going to do is, you're going to see, I'm not going to show you yet. I'm saving it for Monday's stream. The official fan members already seen it already, but we're going to be pulling up a strategy sheet, and we're going to go through how we're going to approach this, what strategy we're going to use, and all that good stuff. And on it, you're going to see I have milestones, and I have how long do we think it's going to take for us to reach the milestone. So the first milestone is 10K. So to go from 5,000 to 10K, I know that seems like, oh, that's easy. You know, it seems like that's easy, but it's not. You realize we have to be plus 100%. That's with losses included. You have to make 100%. That's 100% growth. That's not easy to do. Think back to y'all taking these challenges. The challenges are having you go for 8%. Think about how difficult it is for people to do that. We have to do 100% just to get to, 100%, yep, just to get to 10K. So our first milestone is 10K. So I'm going to reveal it on Monday, how long I think it's going to take. The members already know because they've seen it, but that's part of their perks, right? They get to see everything. But don't worry, we're gonna go through that whole thing on Monday. Monday's gonna be a nice stream. I think everyone's gonna enjoy Monday. You're gonna finally get to see it. Less than 2 minutes to go. Chat's popping today, right? Who's that? Treasure, welcome back. Super supporter, I see you, Treasure. Yeah, chat's popping. I love our chat, you know. I love chatting with y'all. Y'all are so funny. You know, like I said, we have a lot of different traders here. We have beginner traders, but we also have traders who are intermediate. We have traders here who are pro traders. We actually have some pro traders in the chat. We have full-time traders in the chat. You know, we have a broad audience here. So, you know, I love chatting with y'all. A lot of y'all, you know, y'all are so smart. You just doubt yourself. You know, you just got to stop doubting yourself. You know, you can do it, you know. I think a lot of you second guess yourself, but you're smart enough to do it. Trust me, you are smart enough to do it. Let me know in the chat if you second guess yourself a lot. Let me know. Let me know in the chat. Do you feel like you do? Then another 100% to 20, then 40K. Yeah, Mohammed, yeah. So you see what I mean? It's really something that's very, very, very hard to do. Once we get to 10K, we gotta make another 100% to get to 20K, which would mean we made 200%, right? So it adds up. Yeah, it's gonna be really tough. A lot. Yeah, a lot. You do always. What's up, fam? No trading for me this week. My daughter's still sick. Oh no. Can't focus on analyzing the chart, but make time for her. I hope your daughter feels better. Sorry to hear that. Here we go. New York open. Here we go. Or not New York. Oh my goodness. Stock exchange open. I'm sorry, y'all. Stock exchange. Naya, welcome to the official fan. Let's go. Appreciate that. Yeah, we may fly up. I mean, she did come into the zone here. I'm leaving it alone for now, y'all. I'm gonna let this candle print itself, and then we'll take a look at the next candle. How much are you risking for 100K? Oh, I'm glad you asked that, because I think a lot of people got confused. We're not taking a challenge on my Forex ones. That's not what we're doing. What we're doing is we're taking a live account on Hinkle Trade. We're going to start with 5,000 on a live account. and we're gonna flip it. We're gonna try to flip it to 100,000, which is like what, 1,000%. We have to make 1,000%. You know how hard, you know how like nearly impossible that is. So that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. So we're not doing the challenge. We're doing our own challenge for ourselves, if that makes sense. We are challenging the channel, you know. That makes sense? Because I know I got a few messages yesterday. People were asking me if they need to buy the challenge before Monday. I was like, we're not doing the funded challenges. Okay, we came down to that daily imbalance fill. Very interesting. Interesting, okay. Second guess myself working on mental games, so being here has made a difference. Thanks, Lens. No problem. Topic of the day we did at 8 o'clock. Topic of the day is at 8 o'clock. Definitely box a lot. I've been losing and don't think I can do it. Always think it every time. Used to, not anymore. Guilty as charged. Guilty. My stop loss are too tight because drawdown gets me on my nerves. Then the trade goes my way after hitting stop loss. What? People are coming here promoting that they're live trading. What the heck? You doing compounding? Yes. Compounding, yep. Alright, we got about 26 minutes till that news drops. I'm just letting this candle rock. We did come down to that daily line. Working on my psychology, nice. You know, it takes time. Been here the whole stream, don't know where my head was with the topic of the day. It's okay. I think we did it at like 8:12. So if we rewind the stream to like 8:12, 8:10, I think we did it around that time today. Stop loss hit for me in US30? Oh no. What's US30 doing? Let's see. Gold continue down. I feel like we're just watching pips play out today. It's just one of those days, huh? When is the Asian stream? Did you read the community in the Discord? So those of you who are new, when you come into the Discord, right, you're supposed to read the rules. You're supposed to read about the community. That should answer every single question you have, pretty much. When you go to about the community, it talks about the Asian streams and the workshops. Asian streams are on YouTube. they're not every day. So whenever we have them, we do announce them. We always announce them in the Discord, in the announcements. You just passed phase 1. Look at you, Mike, and you were worried earlier. There you go. Congratulations. Congrats to Mike. Can we get a W in the chat for Mike? Let's get those W's flowing for Mike. See that? Don't let fear get to you. The music when you stream, it's in the YouTube studio. Wait, what? Rages, what? You had to cut her off because you found out you were cousins? Yo, what am I reading? Ain't No Sweet Home Alabama. Ain't No Sweet Home Alabama. That's funny. That's funny. Okay. Alright. JJ, good morning. Are y'all seeing this in the chat? What is going on? What is going on? Look at all the support. That's why I love this stream. Yeah, look at everybody supporting. Appreciate that, y'all. Thank you for giving the W for Mike. You deserve it, Mike. So all this was a liquidity grab. That's all. Liquidity grab in the 5 minute. Came straight down here. Easy enough, I guess. So I'm gonna delete that. All right, NAS is playing around, going both ways. Interesting. You made a bag today? Nice. Looks like we're getting nothing into the news, right? We're streaming until 10. I am, yeah, pretty much. I'm waiting to see what this news does. Small town stuff. I think US30 had a play that we missed as well. I mean, we're looking at NAS though, so it is what it is. Missed out another US30 play here. That's cool. It's alright. That's alright. I like that setup though. Alright, look at that NAS. Don't it look like we did a liquidity grab now? Now she look like she want to go bullish. I did have a daily bounce off line here. Looks like a liquidity grab in the hourly. So looks like if we did do our buy limits like we usually do on NAS, looks like we would have been fine here. Now the only reason I didn't tell you to do a buy limit there is because even though I had my line here, it's just simply because I told you it looked like it was going 50-50, right? Remember what I said? It just looked like it was going 50-50, but I felt like it was gonna go up. If you rewind the stream, you'll hear me say that, but I don't like to take 50-50 trades. You know, if you've been here a long time, you know I don't like to take 50-50 trades. So, gotta be a little bit higher than 50-50 for me to take it. But, nonetheless, this went up to 64 pips. Nice. 64 pips. 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 64 pips Let's see. Baka Men's, did you get in on NAS? I know you like those plays on NAS. I'm going to assume that you got that one. Did you get it? Even though I said it was 50-50. Up 30 points. Nice. Let me know, Baka. Anyone else? I know we have a few people here who get in on those NAS reversals as well, whether I take them or not. Anyone else get in on that? Just wondering. Where's your yellow box? Actually, I'm going to utilize it when we get closer to 10. I'm going to see if we can find maybe a pullback before the news starts. It was a thought process. You were about to? Oh, you're about to sell. Interesting. Let's go back to the 4 hour. I gotta turn these zones off because that's too much. Well, here's my thing. We have our 4 hour imbalance here. So we know we're approaching that zone. If we look on the hourly, Diamond, why are you sitting there? Look on the hourly, we kind of have space to go as well. You know, if it wants to continue up. You can laugh into your, oh, look back at your trading journal, laugh and say, what was I doing? Oh yeah, definitely. I definitely can. We have about 10 minutes left before I really look into the detail here. Try to see if we can get a little scalp for this news. Have a login to work. See you, Denise. Thank you so much for coming by. The point you made about the odds was sound. Got a nice NAS buy for 10 pips. Oh, nice. Missed the buy limit. That's okay. That's okay. You know, sometimes whether you see something doing something or not, like, yes, we've seen it coming down here and bouncing up. Sometimes you just, discipline is just staying out sometimes. You know, that's just part of discipline. I want to see if I can find some of my old trades, but I think they're deleted. They're deleted. Man, if only I had it. Oh man, chat. I want to see if I can pull up some old trades so we can laugh. You know what? I bet you I have some on my phone. So here's a new 15-minute candle, y'all. What made you decide on 5K as a starting amount? What made me well, I was originally doing 10K to 100K, but when we discussed it with the members, they said 5K was more relatable, so we switched it to 5K, and it's harder. It's even harder. Thanks for making my life harder. Members know I'm playing, but it's a lot harder to do. It's almost impossible. I mean, obviously it's possible, but you know what I mean. You have to make it 1,000%. Actually, we have to make 2,000% because we're starting from 5. If we were doing 10, it would be 1,000%. but we had to make 2,000% by the time from beginning to end. Average monthly percent, you're gonna have to just watch the streams, or I actually have a video. I have a video talking about that. Let me see. I'll give you the link so you can see it. Right around, it should be right around here. No, isn't it right around here? Oh, here it is. You see it? This one right here. Risk to reward. 33% monthly gain. And that was if you were trading with me on stream for the whole month of April. This includes our wins and losses. So this is me reacting to the trades we had for the month of April. Bruh. Turn these ads off, bruh. Who put ads on these videos, bruh? Who did that, chat? So I go through every single day, the wins and losses that we had, break even, all that good stuff. Then I react to the trades we called out on stream. And you can see the wins and losses and pips, the total. You can see what you would have made with me, depending on the lot size you were using. So this is how much money you would have made with me if you're trading with me. That includes wins and losses. And we didn't count every single, shout out to the subscribers who noticed we didn't count every trade in that either. We didn't even count none of the Asian stream trades in that. So yeah. What mic do you use? This is a HyperX mic. It is the same mic that Pokimane uses. That's where I got it from. If you don't know who Pokimane is, well, let's just go to YouTube. Let's type Pokimane. Pokimane. 6.6 million subs. Same mic Pokimane uses. I believe she uses it more on Twitch though, but well, she's not online right now. And a few other people. I think Nate Hill from FaZe. There's a few FaZe members that use this mic as well. So yeah, that's how I discovered this mic. So I was like, oh, I want a good mic. 9 million followers on Twitch. Wow, that's tough. That's tough. Pokey McCree, yeah, you like Pokey? HyperX, yep, HyperX. We gotta work on our timing. What about 5K to 50K? That'd be more relevant, huh? Should we change it to 5K to 50K? Let's take a vote in the chat. Let's do it. Because that would be 1,000%. Yeah, we can do. Okay, let me see. Let me ask y'all in the chat. That's probably more. I'm gonna put a poll up. And I am watching the charts, no worries. Who is this Pokemon? Yo, Anita, welcome to the official fam. Welcome, welcome. Chat, I am starving. No lie, I'm starving. Okay. I don't think I'm gonna pay any mind to gold. I mean, gold looks like it keeps bouncing off of there. It's looking like she may want to reverse. We'll put a 30-minute line here. But reverse to where? What are we gonna do? Go reverse to the same spot? I mean, all right, what's US30 doing? Dojiing up, huh? All right, we got 9 minutes. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take a choice between US30 and NAS because we can only choose one. $5. Mike is funny. Mike talk about $5. $5. I think 5K to 50K is probably better. Oh, it looks like more people are voting for it because it's the same thing as 10K to 100K. It's still the same, getting 1,000%. NAS. Y'all are saying do NAS? US30? Okay, let's take a poll in the chat. NAS or US30 for news, and you got 2 minutes to do it. Which one you want to do? There goes the poll. You better vote or forever hold your peace. I'm telling you right now, vote for the pair you want. Vote, 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 vote. 2 minutes to vote, y'all. Because we're going to have to choose. We gonna have to choose. Too bad she's in a tough spot. Go ahead and vote. Go ahead and vote. Go ahead and vote. Yeah, so the 5K to 50K one, if you saw the poll. So I guess that's what we're gonna do. It's the same thing as 10 to 100, y'all. It's the same thing. So let me change that around. I mean, if we decided to continue to 50, if we do, you know, if we get up to the 50K and we decide to continue it, then we'll change it 5K to 100K because it's the same thing, right? Okay. Let me change the thumbnail. Someone said gold. Let me see. US30 is better. Wow, more people are voting for NAS. Interesting. I'm actually surprised. I thought my people would vote for US30. All right, let's end that poll. 2 minutes is up. 61% of people said they'd rather do NAS. So I guess we gonna do NAS. So this is what we're gonna do. Just reevaluate this one more time. So we're coming down to this imbalance again. Oh my goodness. Like I said, we're in a 50-50 zone, which is very unfortunate for us. It sucks for us. I don't really see any opening gaps here. That's the only thing. The only gap I kind of see could be this area down in here. Other than that, I don't really see much. Let me put those bank holds on. So only thing that I'm thinking here is that if price keeps retracing off of this zone, then we may go to the top side. That's the only thing I'm thinking. Because we keep tapping, rejecting. Look at this. So I'm thinking if we take buys here, I'm thinking our stop loss needs to be below here. That's what I'm thinking. Okay. Possibly targeting this bank zone right up here. That's my thought process. I think you should go in with a small risk. Because it looks like, well, the price is going up now. I'm not in it yet, but let's look at it at the 1 minute. We got 1 minute and 20 seconds left, but that's my thought process towards this. I think we may go up. Thinking stops below there. TP, I'm looking at 12,250. 12,250 I'm looking at. So I'm not in it yet. I'm just giving it to you because we got like 50 seconds. I guess we're going to do market buys here. My advice is type your stop loss in so that it's already there when you press buy. My advice is to tap your stop loss. The reason is because we came down, filled out this daily imbalance 2 times. So it may be a double bottom. That's my reasoning. All right. In 5 seconds, get ready to press. All right, I'm in. You should be in. You should be in. Going for 30 pips. 30 pips, 80 pips. Excuse me. Let me see. Should have put that there. So again, reasoning for this was because we bounced off of here twice. Figure we may break out to the top side. but doesn't look like price is going there. All right, stopped out. Stopped out. So what is that? Minus 33 pips. That's minus 33 pips. Nice. Well, if you're on the stream and if you didn't give the stream a like, you should not have expected a win today, right? Let's say 33 points. All right, so that's a loss there on the news. Is what it is, you know. So we're starting out the month with one loss. But that shouldn't bother you, because if you're a trader, then it shouldn't bother you at all. It's part of the game. You're gonna lose. Alright, so it looks like she just came straight down here. So what about US30? Ah. So it looks like US30 came back into the same zone. US30 to me looks like a better setup, honestly. I think if we would have read US30, it probably would have told us it was coming down rather than read NAS. I feel like, yeah. I feel like US30 had the better setup. If we're looking at this the right way. Take care, guys. See you, John. See you, John. All the best for the month. Let's go. So yeah, so tomorrow's Friday, tomorrow's NFP. So we will be here tomorrow morning. So I'm excited for that. So make sure you come through for NFP if you're interested in being on the stream. Next Monday is all dedicated to talking about the strategy we're going to use, the lot sizes, all that good stuff. So those of you who have all those questions, I advise you to come to the stream on Monday so you can get those questions answered as far as the strategy for this account flip. What else? And yeah, we're going to start that next week. So that's pretty much all I got for you. All right. Enjoy the rest of your day. Make sure you spread positivity and good vibes. Those of you who are members, we have an Asian stream tonight. I'll put it up later on. And that's about it. All right. Thank you so much for coming to the stream, y'all. Thank you so much for the support. I really, truly do appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'm out.